Don't you just hate it when you go and renew your car or home insurance and you look at the quote that they've given you and the price is exactly the same, or it's gone up for no particular reason? Well, yeah, me too. Personally, I like putting something into place and me not having to worry about it for as long as humanly possible. But with insurance, I've not been able to do that because every year I look at my renewal and I'm like, why has this gone up? I've done nothing wrong. I haven't claimed, why has it gone up? Tell me, please, now. However, since the 1st of January 2022, this has now changed for the better. And the reason for this is that the industry bodies have been working hard with the FCA to change the pricing rules. And thankfully for us, this means that there's now a fairer system when it comes to buying home and car insurance. So therefore, us as customers will no longer be charged more for being loyal. So that is music to my ears. That is like a John Mayer guitar solo to my ears. Let's go. With the new system that has been put into place, we can now compare much more easily the actual quality of our cover, as it's less focused on price, which I think is really great because I, for one, have been guilty of choosing the cheapest one rather than the actual best product that I actually should buy. Whoops. But now it's much easier. So we can wipe that sweat off my forehead and we can move forward. So now we know the new rules, which are great for us as customers. But what do you actually need to look for when you are renewing your insurance? Well, I'm going to tell you with the help of the sponsor of today's video, which is the ABI, or the Association of British Insurers, who are the voice of the UK's insurance and long-term savings industry, and therefore they have some expertise in this area and they will help us as loyal customers get the best deals on our renewals. First of all, it's so important to choose the policy that meets your needs best, which might not be the cheapest. It may be obvious to some, but if you only choose your policy based on the cheapest option, you may be missing out on something vital if you ever actually needed to claim on your insurance, and that would be less than ideal. It's always the way, it's like, oh yeah, I've just got this new iPhone, it's £1,000, but I don't need a case, it's fine. And then 2 days later, and you've dropped it on the floor and smash, and you get the picture. So again, it's just really crucial to make sure that you buy the one that is best for you, not just the cheapest one. Secondly, if you're considering staying loyal and staying with the current insurer that you do have, make sure that you check the renewal document. Make sure you read them, make sure you have a look and check if your circumstances have changed. For example, for me, in the last year, I've actually moved into this flat here, which is obviously something you need to tell your insurance about. And also I've gone self-employed, which is another factor which adds risk. Make sure that your circumstances are inputted because that can actually change the renewal. So you want to make sure that you've got that all sorted. So when you are looking at the renewal documents, make sure you look for changes in price, what the actual insurance covers, and all of that stuff before you actually press renew. And finally, when looking to renew your insurance, you should definitely be shopping around. As the old saying goes, if you don't ask, you don't get, or in this case, if you don't look, you don't get the best deal. Do you know what I mean? The home and car insurance market will still be competitive, even with these new rules coming in. So there will be good deals out there. And since your last renewal, there will probably be a lot of changes in your life, or a lot of changes in the world, of course. So there's potential for a better deal to be found elsewhere. But do remember, if you do decide to switch, make sure you're getting the same cover or better, or for a better price. So you've got to make sure that you're not losing out by actually moving, you're making a better deal for yourself. And there we go, that's about it. I hope this helps. And if you do have any questions, please do let me know in the comments or message me on Instagram, whatever you want to do. And once again, thank you to the sponsor ABI. Thanks again for sponsoring this video. And I am not a millionaire, but I'm trying to help you become one. So